Hi everyone, and welcome back to Nick's Diecast. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this 1/18 scale 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe made by Maisto. I got this off of Amazon for around $25. I think it was closer to 28 or 29 with like shipping and everything, but I got a few dollars off. They had some kind of like promotional discount and everything, so I ended up not paying the full price for it, which is good. It's an older model, as you can tell by the condition of the box and everything. But Maisto actually offered this in their catalog until last year, so it's only just been discontinued in the last like few months or so. So we'll go ahead and open it up today. We'll start. So this is Maisto's older box design, as you can see here. They got the name of the car on the side there. It just has the plain base. Sometimes they'll have like the name of the car on the base itself, but in this case, it's just on the side of the box, like so. So yeah, weird thing about this, it looks like the side got like busted in or something. So I don't know what that's all about. And then also the piece, like the trunk piece that's inside the car, it was a bit loose. Like when I opened up the package with the box in it, this trunk door was open and the trunk door was open and the trunk piece was loose. So I just shook it a little bit and then the trunk piece kind of put itself back in place and the door closed. So I'm going to see what that's all about, too, with this unboxing. So, we'll open up the broken side, I guess. I don't know why this is like that. That's really bizarre. Let's open this up. All right, we got that side. I just got to pull it out. All right, we got that all pulled out. Once again, I had to use two hands with it because it was like a tight fit. So I had to put the camera down for a moment for that. But here it is. Now we just gotta remove it from its display stand here. Got those two typical screws in there for Maisto models. Let's unscrew that. But yeah, I'm a big fan of Corvettes, and I saw that this was on sale for a pretty cheap price on Amazon, so I thought, you know, why not? My goal is to collect every generation of the Corvette in 1/18 scale. What a tight screw. There we go. That's the sound of the car just plopping out. All right, get this out of the way. Go ahead and then get these little strips off here. All right, there's our model. Looks awesome. Let's check out this trunk back here, see what's going on with that. Yeah, it's weird. It looks like it's not quite lined up right or something. But yeah, this trunk piece, as I said, this black part here, when it was not in the box, or when it was in the box, it was like not quite closing. So I'll have to figure that out. But anyway, here's the model. Once I get that trunk thing resolved, I'm hoping to give a review on it and whatnot, so I'm looking forward to that. And thanks for watching.